Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Solana.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and this is not financial advice, and we'll be going through the coins that in our opinion will be doing very well within the bull run cycle.
And before we get to this video, I just want to say only 3.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed. If you could please go ahead and press this red subscribe button, and also go down below and press that like button. It only takes 5 seconds and it really helps us out in the algorithm. Thank you. So the coin we've chose for this video is Solana, and as you can see, it's actually ranked number 15. And the reason for this is a lot of volume is actually going into Solana, and there's a lot of hype going on around it right now. And the reasons will be throughout in this video. And one of the main reasons is they're saying it's an Ethereum killer. As you can see, it's a $12 billion market cap right now. That is quite a lot, but for the price, it's not too bad. And as you can see, only about half the total supply are in circulation right now. So there's a long way to go. If we come down here and we look at the actual price and all the volume, it was stuck around $4, I believe. Yeah, $4 for a while. Up here, $4, and then it just started shooting up. And as you can see, the volume suddenly just went in the space of a few days. In about a week, it just went up to almost $2 billion, or no, about $1 billion. So a lot of money right now, and this was recent. It's been the past couple of weeks, so it is literally going up right now, and you'll be right at the start to get in now. So it is actually on Binance, which is one of the main exchanges, so it's very good it's on there. So it's very accessible, and a lot of people are going to be buying into it for this reason. And it is the main one on Coinmarketcap that people are buying from. There is $151 million of volume in Solana on Binance.
Solana is a fast and secure blockchain which provides the open infrastructure required for global adoption. So it allows you to build crypto apps that potentially will scale. In the internet, you may have seen why Solana may have been called an Ethereum killer, and this is the reason why. It's Ethereum has high fees and takes a long time for you to actually reach Ethereum, and it's slowly starting to become like Bitcoin's network, where it may take you a while for you to receive your Bitcoin or send your Bitcoin, but this will reduce the fees, and it will allow for quicker transactions by slowing down confirmations. And Solana is built for speed, so there's going to be no trade-offs. Also, it's scalable, low cost, and composable. So as you can see, it's something that we need in the eco space, and it is viewed as an Ethereum killer. That's why.
So as mentioned, Solana is actually a web-scale blockchain, and it provides fast, secure, and scalable decentralized and marketplaces. The system currently supports 65,000 transactions per second, which is more than enough that's needed, and the block time is 400 milliseconds. So Solana actually has quite a few partners, and they are Project Serum, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, FTX, Terra, Akash, Chainlink, Civic, Defuse, Formatic, Stardust, Kin, Tempest, and a few more. And the thing about Serum is it's one of its main partners, and I don't know if you've seen, but it rose 1500%. And the reason why Serum actually chose Solana is because it's decentralized and it's also centralized. It offers the best of both worlds for those people that choose either one. It allows exchanges to be resistant to censorship, non-custodial, inexpensive, and highly liquid.
There's one reason why investors will choose Solana is that there's many different ecosystems that are involved within this project. And as you can see, if you just look at all these well-known exchanges, well-known cryptocurrencies, you will literally notice that most of the well-known cryptos and exchanges are listed on here. So it kind of gives you hope, and it shows you that this cryptocurrency has got a long way to go. And in my opinion, from the pump, from all the way to $42, I don't think that's going to be the end. I definitely think this coin can go to around 3 figures, all the way to $100. That's a really good investment in my opinion. And it's a very strong project. And when you see it backed by all of these cryptos and exchanges, it just makes you feel good, and it gives you hope that this coin is potentially going to do crazy numbers as well.
So in conclusion, Solana is really good because it actually solves many traditional issues that the blockchain experienced right at the beginning.
Overall, I would say Solana is an 8.5 out of 10 project because we are still at the early stages. As you can see, the Bitcoin dominance is only 48.7%. The previous time we recorded, it was around 49-50%. So we are kind of getting towards the actual big altcoin season that we've all been waiting for. And I think that's going to happen when it goes to 42%. So remember the price and remember the Bitcoin dominance. And we'll be seeing you guys real soon, because Solana at $44, in my opinion, is still a big steal. It's a very good price for a project like this.
So thank you guys for watching. This is now the end of the video. But before this video ends, please make sure you press subscribe and also like the video. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.